Greetings, students. This is Professor DeFrance. In this video here, we're going to take a look at Essay 4 for English 2 at Columbus State University. And in some ways, you could look at it as an extension of Essay 3. In 5 to 7 pages, you're going to compose an argument similar to Essay 3. In this case, you want to change your topic. Change your audience. So right in Essay 3, you were looking at the audience was a group that was primarily involved. So you're focusing your persuasive efforts on convincing someone who's involved. You wanted to convince them of a belief or opinion you have about your topic. In this essay, in Essay 4, we're going to stick with the same topic, essentially, but change the audience. In this case, you're going to write to your classmates. So you want to think about how you want to set this up, what kind of background information you want to use, and how this is going to change, and even your argumentative styles, the things that you choose to write about, will change because of your audience. Go back and review stasis theory. There's a lecture I put together on that to help you with this essay. That's a good pre-writing technique that you want to use for this essay. Your analysis will come in 3 forms. You have information, ideas, and sources, claims, and explanation of how the information supports your argument, and claims and explanation of how your argument connects to the values of your audience. We're going to demonstrate purposeful rhetorical decisions in the organization and the presentation style. Of course, you want to use compelling examples. And account for audience expectation. All right, and do let me know if you have any questions on Essay 4, and remember to look at the sample. Have a great day.